Here's a detailed Samsung Smart Switch review, thoroughly evaluating everything you want to know about Samsung Smart Switch. We will cover its features, reliability, ease of use, user reviews, pros, cons, and an alternative. Part 1. What is Smart Switch on Samsung? Tip 1. What are Samsung Smart Switch Mobile and Samsung Smart Switch PC? The latest Samsung Smart Switch mobile app is available for Android, and Samsung Smart Switch PC facilitates data migration to Windows or macOS. Both are free to download. Tip 2. Which devices are supported by the Samsung Smart Switch? Samsung Android devices, Android 4.3 and up. iOS devices, iOS 5.0 or newer USB connection and iOS 12 or later Wi-Fi connection. Windows OS 10 or later versions with Microsoft Media Feature Pack installed. macOS, macOS X 10.9 or above. Tip 3. What sets Smart Switch apart from KEIS? Samsung's Smart Switch focuses on data transfer and device migration, while KEIS offers broader features like content management, firmware updates, and backups. Choose based on your needs. Tip 4. Does the Samsung Smart Switch transfer everything? Samsung Smart Switch transfers various data types between devices, but may have limitations based on device and software versions. Part 2. How safe is the Samsung Smart Switch? Sure, Smart Switch is the go-to choice for Android, iOS, and PC users, offering seamless and secure data transfer and app sharing. With its APK and PC versions, this service is convenient for all. Part 3. Is it good to use Samsung Smart Switch? Ensure that the Smart Switch mobile app is installed on both your sending and receiving phones. Open the app on both devices. On the sending phone, tap Send Data. On the receiving Samsung phone, tap Receive Data to initiate the transfer. To use a USB cable, connect both phones with the quick switch adapter and select the MiTP option when prompted. Alternatively, connect both phones to the same Wi-Fi network. Then, choose the data to transfer and click Next to start copying. Part 4. User reviews for Samsung Smart Switch. Samsung Smart Switch receives positive feedback from users who find it to be a reliable, easy to use, and efficient tool for transferring data between devices. Part 5. Samsung Smart Switch app reviews. Pros and cons. Advantages. Data backup. Backup device data to a computer. No size limit. Transfer unlimited data for bulk transfers. Connection modes. Supports USB and Wi-Fi. High quality. Ensures top speed and efficiency. Disadvantages. Speed drop. Wireless slows with distance. Glitches. Mid-transfer errors may cause data loss. App limits. Non-Samsung store apps might not transfer. Samsung only a Smart Switch for Galaxy devices only. Privacy risk. Transferring data carries risks. Part 6. Best alternative of Smart Switch transfer for mobile. In order to deal with the challenges that users may have with using it, it is recommended that you use Mobikin Transfer for mobile Windows and Mac, a tool that is more aware of user needs and more user-centric. How to transfer data from phone to phone with Mobikin Transfer for mobile. Step 1. Launch the Smart Switch alternative. Start by downloading and installing the free trial of this data transfer software. Once installed, open the program on your computer. Step 2. Connect both phones. Link your devices to your computer using USB cables. The software will automatically recognize the connected devices, displaying the transferable data. In the central menu, ensure the source phone is shown on the interface. If not, click the Flip button to correct it. Step 3. Select data to transfer. Choose what you want to copy and click the Start Copy button. In the central panel, this will begin transferring the selected items from the source phone to the target Samsung phone.